Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel MI Tutorials. In the last video, we built a Power BI semantic model, tables, relationships, calendars, measures, and a full executive summary page without writing a single line of code or clicking a single button by just talking. And the question came up, how do you actually set up Claude with the MCP, Power BI MCP server so that the connection actually works? So in this video, this is exactly what I'm going to cover. There are two different ways I'm going to show you in this video how you can connect Claude and interact with your Power BI report. So let's get started with the tutorial. The first method is by installing the IDE. In this case, I would suggest Visual Studio Code. Once you have Visual Studio Code set up, head to the extension tab and search for Power BI. The first one is the Power BI Modeling MCP server. Now I have already installed it. That is why I'm seeing an option to uninstall. But when you look at this for the first time, you have an option here to install. And once you hit that install button, the Power BI MCP server will get installed. This is the official Power BI MCP server. Once it is installed, all you need to do is hit this chat button here to toggle chat and click on the configuration tools and make sure the Power BI Modeling MCP is checked. Once you do this, you can now interact with Power BI reports. And to know how to do that, I've just made a video on this last week. So you can take a look at it, how we can interact with Power BI straight from VS Code. So this is one of the way, which is an automated way where you can just go to extensions and install the extension. Now the second method is using Claude Desktop. You need to download the Claude Desktop application and have that installed on your machine. And what you can do is click here, go to File and click on Settings and head to the Developer section. Here I already have my Power BI MCP server running. So I'm going to delete this so that I can show you everything from scratch. So when you come here for the first time, this is how it's going to look like. Now, if you have installed the MCP server through VS Code via this extension, what you need to do is find the location where this MCP server is installed. So to do that, let's go to the C drive. Under C drive, let's go to users, your username, and there is .vs code extension. And the first folder here, which is Analysis Services Power BI Modeling MCP, and then server. This is where I have the Power BI file that is available, Power BI MCP file. I'm going to double click on this. You see the first section of the code here. I'm going to copy this piece of code from here. But let us say that you have not installed the extension from the VS Code extension. Then in that case, what you need to do is head over to the link that I have mentioned in the description of this video. That is the GitHub link, the official documentation from Microsoft of how to install Power BI MCP server. And the first section is what I have already showed you regarding the Visual Studio Code. You need to install the extension, etc. And if you scroll down, you will see there's a manual section as well. Now, unfortunately, Claude Desktop, for the Power BI MCP server to work, you need to install this manually. There is no automated way. So what you can do is, if you scroll down a little bit more, you will see that there is a section for manual download. Copy this particular link, open that. This will basically download a VSIX file. Once this VSIX file is downloaded, head to the downloads folder, right click and hit rename. And then instead of VSIX, let's rename this to .zip and click on yes. And let's right click here and select extract all. And then let's navigate to the location where you want this particular MCP server to be extracted. So I'm going to select C drive and MCP server. I'm going to select this folder and click on extract and replace all the files in destination. All right, now I have my MCP server extracted in the C drive extension server. This is basically the same thing. And now when I double click this, I get the piece of code here. So let us copy this piece of code. Now let's go back to Claude Desktop. In the developer tab, click on edit config. When you click on edit config, you get a Claude Desktop config.json file. Let's double click on this and this will open up in Visual Studio Code. If you don't have Visual Studio Code, you can open this in a notepad as well. And whatever code that you see here, I'm going to remove this and paste the code that I just copied. Now notice that this is the location where I have the MCP server installed. Now When I save this, unfortunately, it still does not work. Even though it is part of the official documentation, when I come back here into Claude Code, it does not work. I came across a video from Guy in a Cube and they've shared a different code that is actually working. So I'm going to share that code in the description below so that you can copy paste. So I'm going to paste that new code here. In this section here, you need to replace the location of where you have extracted your Power BI MCP .exe file, which is something that I have here. So I'm going to simply copy this and replace this particular section and delete the rest of the section that I have here. And I'm going to hit the save button. Now that my config.json file is saved with the actual location where I have the Power BI MCP server installed, I will now go back to Claude Code and I will need to exit Claude Code. Make sure you also go to your task manager and close all the tasks related to Claude. Once you have done that, and let's go back and reopen Claude, and let's go back to the settings tab, file, settings, and developer. And now you will see that Power BI MCP server has been installed. And whenever you prompt, like I have done in my previous video, you will now be able to connect to the Power BI report in your desktop and interact with that Power BI report, make changes, create measures, create reports, etc. So this is how you will be able to set up Power BI MCP server, the automated way as well as the manual way, so that you can use that with Claude Desktop. So that's it, guys, in this particular tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You learned something new today. I hope you'll be able to set up your Power BI MCP servers and start working through Claude. So that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching.